just at the other side of the Friendship Bridge, waiting to get on the mandatory bus to the other side. You can't walk across the bridge. It's 20 baht per person, and we'll wait for the bus to go, and we'll see you in Laos.
Made it to the boat pier. It was a lot further than I anticipated it being from the border.
Yeah, about 20 minutes from the border.
Yeah.
Quick stop to have a pretend banh mi. Hopefully not like that in Vietnam when we get there. Looks really cramped, people smoking. Looks like a potentially long and tiresome journey.
And Lucy loves a boat.
Lucy loves a boat. Lucy's got really long legs, so she's struggling for space already.
So when I'm sat on the top of the boat very shortly, you'll know why. So the boat cost us, we bought a ticket when we came through immigration, so immigration was $35 each to get through, to get your
for UK.
Laos visa.
More or less depending on different nationalities.
Yeah, some are 30, some are 40, some are 35, depends on nationality. Dead easy, just had to fill a form in and passport photo. If you haven't got a passport photo, I think they were charging another 400 baht, so it wasn't too bad. So we bought tickets for the boat and transport to get here, so it cost us £24 for both of us.
Yeah, so
that's today's boat and tomorrow's boat all included.
So a little bit
one.
more. Normally we're paying about £21. So it's 210,000 kip for the boat. 2 stages. The boat from Zai Zai to Pak Beng, 19 Pak Beng, and then from Pak Beng to Lang Prabang.
Yes.
So 2 stage, 105,000 kip per stage of the journey.
So it's going to be about, so I think we'll leave at 11:30 and we get there about 6:30 today.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow the boat leaves at 9 and we should get there between 4 and 5, so it's going to be a couple of very long travel days.
Yeah. We'll leave a link to the link on our website, because there'll be a description of how to travel from Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai into Laos.
Yep.
That way.
Very pain-free and painless, to be honest.
And we'll do an article, we'll describe that for you.
Yep.
So Lucy, tell us how you're feeling today.
Grumpy, hot, tired, and I don't like boats.
Straight commentary from the grumpiest person in the world. Lunchtime, 7-Eleven, sandwich review, part 1. Shredded pork and salad cream. Packed full with filling. Packed full of pork here at 7-Eleven. But I'll give it a try anyway. Can't taste the pork. I can't taste the salad cream. Just taste the sweet bread. But
So we are about 2 hours into the slow boat ride. We stocked up at 7-Eleven this morning for as much as we could manage to kind of carry with us. And
we've already eaten that.
yeah, so we had some sandwiches and some crisps and some Ritz biscuits. And I had the idea of bringing some noodles just in case they had some hot water. And luckily they had hot water, so we've got noodles. And on the boat they sell beer. So we've got beer and noodles for lunch. I don't like boats, but this boat is actually okay. Very
about the beer. Not the boat.
Okay, let's see.
So, beer Lao. That's first taste of Laotian beer.
Yep.
We went back early on to buy some beer. There's some drunken French men. Asked the lady how much the beer was. There's 200 baht a bottle. Like £5. It's really expensive.
We were like, no,
Decided not to buy
definitely
any.
not.
Went back later to ask another drunken Frenchman how much the beer was, and it was 20,000 kit per bottle.
About £2.
It's about £2, a bit less. So
We can deal with that.
we can deal with that.
Yeah.
That's what we've got.
So we've got beer and noodles for lunch.
How we're eating.
Happy days. We have arrived in Pak Beng after the boat journey, which was actually a lot better than I anticipated it being. We just had 10 minutes in our hotel, which was actually really pleasant for £10. Can't go wrong really. Towels, water, toilet roll, and hopefully a hot shower, which I'll see later. Just come for a walk up the main street. The street, there's like 2 streets. This one seems to have more restaurants on it. All selling the same sort of thing, all similar price. We just went for the one that was the busiest. So some spring rolls and some Lao curry coming. And of course, our favourite. £1.50 a bottle, so not too bad at all. Also, because we stocked up at 7-Eleven this morning and ate everything we had, we were a bit concerned what there was going to be here, but there's loads of little shops all selling crisps, noodles, beer, biscuits, sandwiches, so don't worry, there is plenty for the boat for the next day. And a lot of the restaurants are offering breakfast as well for quite a reasonable price, like eggs, toast, etc. So apparently there's some sandwich stalls like that the locals set up in the morning, so hopefully we're going to get a nice sandwich for the boat tomorrow. First course of spring rolls has come, let's try these. Oh no. They do a little bit different to the Thai spring rolls. They've got the flat wide noodles in, and the wrapper's a little bit different as well. It's like thinner and not as pastry. Nice though. Curry's come, so I'm going to try some of this now. Oh, that's really good. Quite a thick broth to it. It's got a piece of garlic in that bite as well. A bit like a Thai massaman in flavour. It's really nice. Really coconutty. That's good. Tea done, beer done, shower and bed.
You, like most people, will be coming to Pak Beng for one night in your entire lifetime. There's probably 15 restaurants to choose from.
Yep.
We went into one. We can't say if it's better or worse than any of the others. So this is it.
Silver D restaurant.
And it looks like this.
And it's
Now, if you're in Pak Beng on the slow boat, staying overnight, give it a shout. It's a family business. Nice guy, mum, grandma, son.
Yep.
Really worked really hard. So
Worth visiting.
we liked it. Really nice food.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Yeah.
So nice meal, nice night in Pak Beng. Stopped for some supplies, some crisps and snacks and drinks for tomorrow. A couple of beers for tonight in the hotel. Apparently, this will make me go, quote unquote, like a tiger. And seeing as I already go like a tiger, I'm hoping this will make me go like 2 tigers. So she's a lucky lady. You know it. you all know.